Hello friends, Chris with BeginningGuitarOnline.com. In this series of videos we're going through major pentatonic scales in first position. E major pentatonic. This will also cover 2 octaves across all 6 strings. Let's talk through the pattern. Open 6th, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 1, 2, open 2nd, 2, open 1st, and then back down. Let's play through it together. 1, 2, ready, play. Happy practicing. As you continue to be more comfortable with these pentatonic patterns, you'll notice how they're found in some of your favorite songs and some of the greatest songs of all time. A well-developed set of pentatonic patterns is one of the most useful tools any guitarist can have in their toolbox. If you haven't already, click subscribe below and leave us any questions or comments down below. You can also visit us online at BeginningGuitarOnline.com. While you're there, sign up for the Woodshed newsletter. We gather educational guitar content from around the web and deliver it right to your inbox.